In this video, we are going to understand what is constructor. So, constructor is a special member function whose name is same as the name of its class in which it is declared and defined. Now the next question rises, what is the purpose of constructor? So, the purpose of constructor is to initialize objects of the class. The purpose of the constructor is to initialize the object of the class. Now the next question is, why the name constructor? Because it is used to construct the objects of the class. Because it is used to construct the objects of the class. Next question rises, when constructor constructs the object? Answer is, constructor is used to construct the object at runtime.